हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। कैसे हैं? आज हम लोग 10th क्लास की ज्योमेट्री चैप्टर का ट्रायंगल्स पढ़ेंगे, जिसका पहला थ्योरम्स का नाम है थेल्स थ्योरम। इस थेल्स थ्योरम्स को हम लोग बीपीटी यानी बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम भी बोलते हैं। बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम भी बोलते हैं। ये हमारा पहला थ्योरम है, आप किताब में देख लेंगे, फर्स्ट थ्योरम है। आज हम उसी को प्रूफ करने के लिए जा रहा हूँ। तो ये थेल्स थ्योरम हमारा ये हो गया 1। इसके लिए इसमें क्या बोलता है थ्योरम में, वो देखते हैं। If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So according to theorem, there is a triangle ABC in which a line is drawn parallel to the third side BC, and here is D and E are distinct points. So you have to show this point divide the AB into 2 ratio and E is divide into AC 2 ratio, and you have to show that these ratio are equal to each other. So first of all, you will write given in triangle ABC, D parallel to BC. D and E are in two distinct points. Prove that AD by DB equal to AE by EC. So D divides AB into AD ratio DB, and E divides into AE by EC, and both ratio will be equal. To prove this theorem, we need construction. Now construction short for draw DP perpendicular on AC, EQ perpendicular on AB, DP perpendicular on AC, and EQ perpendicular on AB. Now join BE and CD. BE and CD. Now next step, proof. I am going to giving the proof. How will you prove this theorem? Now look at. First go in triangle ADE and triangle DBE on this side. So there are two triangles, triangle ADE and triangle DBE. So area ADE and area DBE. What is the value of area AD? Clearly in triangle ADE, AD is base and EQ perpendicular. So area of triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. So 1 by 2 into AD into EQ. Similarly, triangle DBE is obtuse triangle. So base is DB and perpendicular is EQ. So 1 by 2 into DB into EQ. Now 1 by 2 1 by cancel and AD by DB. Now this is the suppose equation 1. Again we go in back side, triangle ADE and triangle DEC. So find the area ADE and area DEC. What is the value of area ADE? Now base has changed, because we can find the area of triangle by 3 methods. So base is AE, then perpendicular is DP. Now write AE into DP. Similarly, area DEC that is base and that is height. So 1 by 2 base into height. Cancelled. So AE by EC. AE by EC. Now, if we want to compare from first and second, we are looking area ADE and area AD are equal. If we are able to equal the area DBE and area DEC, then we can find the required problem. So now you can see triangle DEB, triangle DEB and triangle DEC both lie same base DE and same parallel DE and BC. So clearly triangle DEB and triangle DEC lie on same base DE and same base DE and BC. Same base DE and same lines, same parallel lines, same parallel D and BC. Therefore, according to the theorem of class 9, two triangles lie on same base and same parallels equal in area. So therefore, area DEB equal to area DEC. Now comparing from first and second. From first and second we get comparing. Now area AD equal to area ED and area DBE equal to area DEC just proved. So LH and LHS, both LHS are equal. So clearly RHS equal to RHS. So we get AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Now proved. So there are 5 steps to prove the theorems. First is given, second is prove that, third is construction, fourth is proof, and last is proofs. Okay.